Today, we'll be going over 6 modifications that you can make to your Ned rigs in order to increase your fish numbers and save money as well. This first modification is super simple and will provide some more action to the bait. Take your bait and split the tail in half. Cut each half again and as many times as you desire. This will make a skirt that will quiver and shake as the head hits the rocks, drawing strikes from the finickiest fish. One of the most frustrating parts of the Ned rig is how prone it is to getting snagged with that exposed barb. This second modification will help you with that problem. With the bait that you just cut up, put the jig head through the bottom. With a tentacle, pull it up and past the barb of the hook. This will keep you from snagging on wood and other cover. Now the spring is one of the best times to fish the Ned rig with cold waters and bedding bass. But here in the Midwest, the water is also usually very cloudy and murky from snowmelt and constant windy days and big rains. That's when I use this third modification, which is taking a Colorado blade on a screw lock and adding it to the tail. This adds both flash and vibration to help the fish find the bait in this murky early spring water. When the spawn comes, oftentimes bluegills will come up on the beds and eat the eggs of the bass. A quick modification that you can make to your Ned rig to get more strikes is to make your bait like a small bluegill. To do this, take a dye marker and add some chartreuse near the hook. Now many times I see anglers just using the basic cinch knot and calling it a day for their Ned rigs. And this is fine, but there is another knot that will maximize your Ned rig action. This knot is called the loop knot. Tie an overhand knot, but don't close it all the way. Take the tag end and wrap it around the main line a couple of times. Pull the tag end through the loop, wet, and cinch. This allows the bait to swing freely on the line, providing the bait just a little more action. Now make sure to check your state's laws before you use the sixth modification. You can take your standard drop shot rig, but instead of adding a drop shot weight, tie on a weedless Ned head and add your bait. This will help you allow search for fish and see if the bite is on the bottom or if it's on a drop shot rig. The reason why you have to check your state's regulations is because some states do not allow more than one lure on one main line. Thank you so much for tuning in to today's video. I hope that this enhances your fishing experience, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on future content. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, feel free to leave comments below.